Here we have a pot of water. Now bring it to boil and then put in the tau pok. Then after you can off the fire. Now the purpose is to get rid of the oil from it and sometimes the unpleasant smell. Alright. So after this, bring it to the tap, run in cold water and squeeze it dry. Now take a bowl here, squeeze in the ginger juice. Okay, add in 1 tablespoon of water. Put in half a teaspoon of salt, and then 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Okay, mix them well first. Now, put the fish into the pickle bowl. Okay, add in this. Massage it in. Okay, you will have to remove the fishiness. Now this pickle veggie, put in a pickle bowl and then soak it in water for 5 minutes. Now in between, squeeze it and change the water. Alright. Now after about 5 minutes, squeeze it dry and then test it. Okay, take a small piece out and taste it. Now it should not be very bland. Alright, there should be some sourness because the dish requires the flavor. Alright, so this is good enough. Over here we prepare the salted veggie first. Now add in our salted veggie in. We do not need oil for this process. Okay, try fry it in medium fire. Fry until they dry up and have some slight burn. It will increase the fragrance of the salted veggie. Now once it starts to dry up, you can see smoke coming out. Okay, so just for a while more. Get it a little bit burn and you can smell the fragrance. Push it aside. Okay, add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Reduce the fire to the lowest. Okay, put in our garlic and ginger. You don't have to brown it, just have the smell. Then mix them together. Okay, fry until you can smell the aroma again. Okay, once you can smell it, off the fire, remove it. We are going to add into the stock later on. Okay, so heat up the pot first. Once it's sufficiently heat up, add in sufficient oil. Coat it. Now put in our fish bone. Now fry until we achieve the browning. At the other side, we boil a pot of water. Now after flipping over, add in our ginger. Remove the fishiness. Now you may break up the fish during the frying because we are going to sieve out all the bones later on. Now once you have the browning already, add in the hot water immediately. Okay, adjust the fire. Make sure it's continue churning. You will have to break down the meat and get the milkiness from here. Okay, boil for about 10 minutes. Then we will test the taste and add in all the other ingredients. We have earlier sieve out all the fish bone and then add in our cabbage, pickled veggie, tau pok and the red chili. Alright. Now once it come back to boil, leave it here for 3 minutes for all the taste to come out into the soup. Now after 3 minutes, we will need to have pork stock. And also rice vinegar. Okay, now how sour you want it, you have to test it and adjust accordingly. Okay, after the vinegar is settled, put in a bit of sugar. Now we add in all our fish. Leave the liquid out. Okay, don't stir it. Let this cook for another 2 minutes for the fish to be fully cooked. Now, after 2 minutes, the fish will be cooked already. Now add in our tofu. Okay, be careful they break easily. So just put it one side. Get the veggie to cover it. Once they come back to boil, we can off the fire. Now we are going to fry the peppercorn for the topping. Okay. Put in about 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay. Get the fire on. Now, put in the peppercorn. Now slowly fry it until you can smell the fragrance. Be careful not to burn it. Okay, once it starts to heat up, reduce the fire to the lowest. Now, once you can smell it, off the fire. Now, here we can add our fried peppercorn in already. Okay, so the dish is done here already.